Welcome, viewer. Today, we bring you the latest updates and insights from around the world. The National Conference and Congress have reached an agreement on a seat-sharing formula for the upcoming Jammu and Kashmir Assembly polls. According to this arrangement, the National Conference will contest on 51 seats, while the Congress will compete on 32 seats. This totals 83 out of the 90 available assembly seats. Additionally, the two parties have decided to engage in a friendly but disciplined contest on 5 specific seats. Furthermore, 1 seat each has been allocated to the CPI-M and the Panthers Party. State Congress Chief Tariq Hamid Karra made this announcement. It's worth noting that the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) has already named 16 candidates for the first phase of the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections, which are scheduled to take place in 3 phases: September 18, 25, and October 1. This marks the first assembly election in Jammu and Kashmir following the abrogation of Article 370. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.